Hey guys, it's Lenka. Today I have a really exciting video. I'm going to be doing my boyfriend's makeup, but I'm going to be doing drag makeup on him. So I have glue sticks so to glue his eyebrows down. He doesn't want to do it, but I really would like him to, so he's doing it. This is my boyfriend, Andrew.
I'm not excited. You're doing normal makeup.
Yes.
No, you're not.
I just need to put a headband on you.
You're not putting normal makeup on.
Can I put a headband on you?
No, because it's so small. Hello?
It matches your shirt, don't even worry. I think I got your skin. Yay! Look how cute you look.
This is not coming off.
Don't worry.
I think I'm gonna sneeze just from looking at it.
You blew it away! You blew into it and blew it away!
I
don't think it's not your skin tone.
Did you hear that cheek pop?
Andrew, don't wipe down my shirt. Ah, stop!
Gosh, I hate that.
Stop! Clean that out your sister.
Sister snatched. Get the crease.
The crease is on the eye.
The big forehead.
It's not that big. I'll do a James Charles contour so it's really
So it's gonna look bad. Oh wait, I got it. Let me do my own eyeliner.
No, Andrew, please.
Wait.
I want this to look good. Fuck off. Stop.
Oh, wrong step.
Stop. Stop.
Try it now.
Andrew, stop. Stop. Oh my god.
I look sister, not snatched.
Andrew.
Anybody that helped create that God.
Stop.
What?
Why did you randomly say that? Why did you randomly say that?
Damn. Was that a good impression?
Thank God! Thank God! Yeah, but I want to do eyelashes next.
No.
I'm just gonna put fake ones on.
No. Ow.
What did you look?
No, do I have to let it dry? I'm honestly worried here. Get the hair dryer.
Look at me. Just look, open your eyes. Gorgeous.
No. I can't stand that feeling.
Stop.
I actually...
We're doing mascara then.
I can't deal with that. How do girls do this? This is so uncomfortable.
Look how good you look.
No.
Andrew, you messed it up.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You weren't supposed to. Alright, this is the finished look.
Done. Oh my god, are you okay?
Thank you for watching my YouTube video
You're welcome.
of me and my now girlfriend. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below any video ideas you have for me. Check out my Spotify. Check out my new Instagram. Thanks for watching.
No, I give her.
Yeah.
'Cause I got nothing to say.